I have a confession to make. I'm impatient, and as we all know, traditional renovation takes time, is often messy and noisy. But guess what? We have the perfect innovation for you. Styl is a self-adhesive solution. It goes on walls, doors, and furniture. One of the great advantages with Styl is the fact that you can renovate your activity without having to close your business. Here, Jerry. But let me tell you more. Okay, the top 5 reasons why you should use Styl. The main advantage is that by far, the fact that it's fast, it's economical, it's easy to clean, it's a design freedom, and obviously no downtime for your business. You refresh at the same time as you keep the money coming in. So absolutely, Styl is the solution you need for your renovation, by far. Ciao guys. Did you know that Styl is available in more than 500 different colors and different patterns, directly available here in this warehouse, which is, by the way, unique in Europe. With all of this, you really think we would have bothered if it was just a simple sticker? Check it out for yourself. Something we have not yet touched on is our team. And basically we count here a customer support team of more than 30 people speaking 15 different languages and going the extra mile for you.
Bonjour et bienvenue dans ce fameux webinaire pour changer votre manière de travailler.
Salut Jerry, comment se passe ce webinaire?
Très bien, merci.
Styl is a quality material that requires nevertheless technical skills. Here at Styl, we perform weekly webinars, trainings and coaching. And to give you an idea, we've trained already thousands of installers worldwide. Now you understand Styl is more than just a product. Our ambition is simple. We are here to revolutionize the renovation industry in Europe. If you want to be part of the change, contact us. We are here for you. Yeah, done.